All right, guys, this is my 1964 Shelby Daytona Coupe. This is one of about 90 built. It's a CSX9000 car, so it's actually titled and registered as a 1964 Shelby Daytona Coupe. It was redesigned back in the 1990s by Peter Brock himself, who was the original designer of the car. See, I put a blacked out 427 in this puppy. Let's get this thing locked down and let's go for a little ride. What do you say? Here's the cockpit. So we did custom gauges to match the stripes, which is pretty cool. Here's my little contraption. Get the seatbelt on here. All right, we are locked and loaded. This is what it's like to drive a Daytona Coupe. Very similar to a Shelby Cobra. I'm gonna adjust the angle here. There you go. The Daytona Coupe was based on the Cobra platform. They didn't have the budget to build a car from scratch back in the day. They needed something faster, would use less fuel, and basically kick everybody's ass on the racetrack, and this is what they came up with. Yeah, baby. This thing just, in the back, it just squats. You step on it, it squats, it goes. Absolutely phenomenal ride. So smooth. The 427 is the perfect motor for this car. Just enough torque. Listen to that. Oh. Sounds so good. Here, I'll give you a little side view here. What's cool is this thing's actually magnetic, so I can pull you off and kind of show you around. Lots of storage space. Definitely a great touring car. Then I can throw you back here on this magnet. Let me see. There we go. Nice thing is too, it's pretty quiet in here overall, except for me talking to you. Like if I have it in fourth gear like I do now, it's not like the GT40 where I can't hear a damn thing and I have to wear hearing protection. Let's go back. All right, I'm gonna be quiet so that you can just enjoy the ride for a few minutes. Well, let's get it from a dig. What do you say? don't know if you can see that nose pop up in the video, but I just love the way this car squats down and goes. Oh, we're gonna have a slow poke here. What a phenomenal car. Just a beautiful, phenomenal driver's car. Blows really cold too. It's phenomenal. This is just a really comfortable car to drive. Sits, if you've ever driven a Superformance Cobra, it's got a very similar feel for the seating position. Pedals are slightly offset to the left, just like in a Cobra. I feel like it's not as much, but I haven't driven I sold my Cobra a while back, so I can't really tell you exactly. But the shifter is very similar. You know, when you see that road in the distance with some hills and some turns, you can't help it. You just can't help it. Quick walk around, and then we'll get you some more videos in the near future. This is pretty much just a teaser. Let's just stop it right here. All right. Now I can pull this magnetic thing off my neck. Hope you enjoyed that. More coming.